Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more online money making opportunities. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to join the Shopee affiliate program and how you correctly input your payment details. First things first, let's talk about how to join the Shopee affiliate program. It's a simple process and I will guide you through it step by step. Open your browser. You can use a laptop or a mobile device and search for affiliate.shopee.ph. Earn commissions when you partner with Shopee, the leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan. The Shopee affiliate platforms offers attractive commissions for each qualifying purchase. Choose from millions of products and generate your sharing links easily with their simple process. To register, click Enter. The next step is to log into your Shopee account, or you can also sign up if you do not have one yet. Log into your account. Complete the registration form and make sure all the information is correct for Shopee review. All submitted information will be used legally and properly protected in accordance with Shopee policy. Here's your Shopee account username. Select affiliate type. As a digital content creator, you select individual. Then you will need to link your public social media account where you have the most followers for them to check your eligibility. Enter your mobile number, email, and referral code. You can check the video description for you to use my referral code. Once all is set, you agree with the terms of service and privacy policy and hit submit. After my submission, I receive an email confirmation from Shopee affiliate that my profile review may take at least 15 to 30 working days.
Day 2.
After 2 days, I was surprised that my application had already been approved. So make sure you use the platform where you have the most followers and subscribers. I check my Shopee account and the affiliate program is already available on my Shopee app. After you've signed up, it's crucial to input your payment details correctly to ensure you receive your earnings. Let's go over how to do this. On your affiliate program page, you click on Account. You tap Payment Settings. Please make sure to input the right sequence and information for your payment details. As they said, reviews take 21 working days, and if you edit it again, the 21 days will reset, which will prolong your payment approval. This is my mistake when I was editing my payment details. The account type is individual. Beneficiary full name should be in order. Last name, middle name, and first name. Input your phone number. For the bank information, the primary payment is CBank. If you register for CBank online, here's the information you will need for the bank name, bank branch name, and bank address. For my secondary bank account, I use my BDO savings account. With tax information, just put no for BIR registered. The primary ID I use is UMID, and my secondary ID is PhilHealth ID. For the name of the taxpayer, just copy the order of your name on your ID. Once you have inputted all the needed information, just hit submit. And make sure you don't click edit again, as the review days will be reset, and it will just prolong your payment approval.
Many months later.
After 3 months, my tax information has been approved. It took me a while to get the approval as I kept editing my payment details. Remember, 21 working days will reset if you keep on editing it.
1 week later.
Then, 7 days later, my payment information was approved too. So you will receive 2 emails of approval. And I quickly checked my account and it was already reflecting. It will also show you when it will take effect.
3 days later.
After 3 days, I received multiple emails regarding my pending payments in the past few weeks. It will tell you that your bill for validation has been generated and you'll need to acknowledge it on the app. Go to Income. You will see a highlighted reminder stating, please process the receipt to receive your commission. Tap Check Now. Click Pending Acknowledgement. Then you click Acknowledge. You will need to acknowledge all your pending payments. Let me do mine. When you open the PDF file, you will see how much expanded withholding tax will be deducted from your commission. For example, with my 585.91 commission, the tax will be 58.59 pesos. From September 18 to November 19, 2023, my total commission with Shopee affiliate was 5,922.01 pesos. As you can see, it's a great way to earn some extra income. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to join the Shopee affiliate program and correctly input your payment details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching.